Hi families, you welcome back to my beautiful channel. This is your girl Doc Sex. Today we are making a carrot oil for soup production and any other formulation that may include or need carrot oil. And this is not carrot seed oil, actually. This is carrot oil, and I want the beta carotene or the vitamin A in the carrot, actually, and it's the reason why I'm doing it this way. Already I have a carrot essential oil, carrot seed oil, which is an essential oil there, and there's difference between carrot oil and then carrot seed oil. So today's process, it already. You have to wash your carrots and then either cut them into small pieces as you want, or whichever way that you're gonna get it into this size, you have to do it this way. And I am using the double boiler method today. So as you can see, I'm using the spatula to move around in the carrots. I have set it up. I did set this on fire for like an hour or so, and I didn't want the video to be so long, so you could see the carrot has been infused already. And the oil that I used was a sunflower oil. So now I could see that the sunflower oil has completely changed. It has completely changed in its colored form already, and sunflower oil is a bit yellowish, but not as to compare to what I have right now. So that means that the carrot has been infused, and I'm going to strain this to separate the vegetable from the oil and the juice. All right, so my counter is a little bit messy, so I'm going to clean it up, and then we will continue on the process very soon. So the reason why I did the double boiler method is because I didn't want to destroy some of the components that I was looking for from the carrot oil. And basically I use this for my soup production, my carrot metampole soup base, actually. And people do buy the carrot soup base to remelt and then make it their own, because they want the benefits from the carrots, that is the beta carotene and the other nutrients or components that carrots vegetable do have. So going the double boiler method way could actually save these components from a direct heat. Okay, so that's the reason why I did use the double boiler method. So as you can see, I made this sit for like, I think almost like 2 to 3 hours or so, and you could see the juice and some of the vegetables has separated from the oil, because oil and water do not mix. So certainly the water is going to drop below or beneath the oil. So I'm going to separate the oil from the juice and the water, and then let it sit for another few hours, or let's say 45 minutes, to see if there's still going to be some water in the oil. So this, I got a little bit of a drop from the juice in there. Okay, so you could see the carrot juice beneath the oil right there, and I'm just trying not to get the juice into the oils again. into the oil again. So that is it. I'm not gonna go any further from where I am currently, because I may drop the juice into the oil again, but the little one that I got in there, I would have to strain it again. So you could see the water, the juice water mix everything down here. Yeah, so that's it. Right, so the carrot oil wouldn't be clear as soon as possible right away. You would have to wait for some few days before you could actually see it being very clear if you use the same method. So because I got a little bit of the juice in this oil, I would have to strain it again, and right there you could see that little part in. Okay, so we will leave that juice at the bottom of the Pyrex bowl, and now we are done with our oil, with our carrot oil. So I'm going to transfer it into this 1 liter bottle, a plastic bottle, to cover it up. And you could see it's still not clear. It is clearing up, but it's going to take like 2 days or so to completely clear up, and you're going to have a very beautiful carrot oil if you use the same method as I am doing. Okay, so usually I add this to my formulation at 10% when I am making my carrot metampole soup base, and I also do add carrot juice as well, a juice which has not been mixed with water, a juice from the carrot vegetable itself, which has not been diluted in any way. So that's how I make my transparent soup. I make my carrot metampole soup base. And here is our carrot soup. It's still clearing up, but not complete. Sorry. So here is our final product. It took almost like 3 days to get this very clear, and I'm gonna pour half of it into this glass cup for you to see how clear the carrot oil is. It is just beautiful. But you know, the scent of the carrot, you could still smell it in the oil, but that's totally fine. And you know, whenever a vegetable touches heat, that kind of smell or scent that you get, yeah, you could smell this in the carrot oil, but it's so okay. So you could see it is very, very clear now, very clear. Because my metamucil base or my carrot soap base do come out transparent, so I always have to do it this way to get the oil very clear, so that it doesn't cloud, it doesn't make the final soup cloudy. Let me put it that way. So we are done now. Here is our beautiful carrot oil, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates. I love you. Bye bye.